Excellent companion, sir, I present to you for installation Companion Aralar, who has been appointed Principal Sojourner for this chapter for the ensuing capitular year.
Companion Ray. Important among the duties required of you is the preparation and introduction of candidates for our degrees. Experience teaches that the first impressions are often the most durable and the most difficult to eradicate. Hence, it is essential that the officer who brings the blind by a way that they knew not and leads them in paths that they have not known should always be well qualified to make darkness light before them and crooked things straight. Your past exertions will be considered as a pledge of the faithful discharge of all your duties. Receive now the jewel of your office. And be conducted to your station.